कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमहर्निशम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसी जाते दशरथात्मजे वेद प्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मङ्गलं कोसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। The rainy season continues, and symbolically Valmiki ji here brings in the sad situation of Rama, where he still mourns the absence of Sita, not knowing where she is, in spite of the fact Lakshmana had informed him that we cannot do much in this season. And Sugriva has recently gained his kingdom and he's settling down. And here we are in the forest of Kishkinda, where we have to patiently wait for things to happen. In the scriptures, what we find is the patience that is required for achieving anything cannot be overstated. It is a must in all aspects of our life. A mother has to wait, the parents have to wait for 9 months to get the child finally. A farmer who sows the seeds, after that he has to wait for the right time to cultivate. And this is the case with anything that is with the nature. Nature is very patient, and we have to be very patient with the nature also. I have been experiencing many times when I put some plant and next day it doesn't show up with flower. I said, what is happening? Obviously, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. And every plant is different. They have their own characteristics. In the same way, with the human beings, with the people, with situations, today's world, we have absolutely no patience. We are expecting everybody to deliver like computers. Everything has to happen before even I think about it. So when do you want the result? Yesterday. What did you do today? How can it be result be before the action? We are under the generations that are present and the future ones are extremely impatient. And that causes a lot of restlessness, aggressiveness. So to teach patience and to teach people to wait for things to happen is very, very crucial for even in a family or in a society, as a country, as a whole world. And here, Rama, knowing very well that Sita ji is not there, her place is not known and what is happening to her is not known, yet he had to wait. Resources are there, but not available right now. And think about it, he had helped this Sugriva to get the kingdom, to get the help from him, which he deserves to get, is yet to come. So here you see, even first numbers in the Sarga number 28, verse number 57 onward. Imasvita guna varshaha
इमास्वीतगुणा वर्षाः
Sugriva sukamashnute
सुग्रीवस्तुकमश्नुते
Vijitari sadarascha
विजितारिस्तदारश्च
Rajye mahati chastitaha
राज्ये महति च स्थितः
Aham tu kritadarascha
अहं तु हृतदारश्च
Rajyascha mahadaschutaha
राज्याच्च महतश्च्युतः
Adikulameva kinklinnam
नदीकूलमिव क्लिन्नम्
Avasidami lakshmana
अवसीदामि लक्ष्मण
Shokascha mama vistirno
शोकश्च मम विस्तीर्णो
Varshascha brushadurgamaha
वर्षाश्च वृषदुर्गमाः
Ravanascha mahan shatru
रावणश्च महान् शत्रुः
Shatru Apara pradibhati me
अपार प्रतिभाति मे
Ayatram chaiva drishtvaimam
अयात्रां चैव दृष्ट्वेमां
Marganscha brushadurgaman
मार्गांश्च वृषदुर्गमान्
Pranate chaiva sugrive
प्रणते चैव सुग्रीवे
Amaya kinjidiritam
न मया किञ्चिदीरितम्
Ima spita gunaha varshaha sugriva sukamashnute. Imaha, this spita, too much of this very beautiful rain that is happening also is being enjoyed by Sugriva, that is the rains, and he is enjoying what? Sukam, spita sukam ashnute, to be understood like Varshaha imaha, spita gunaha sukam ashnute, spita gunaha varshaha sukam ashnute Sugriva. In this plenty of rain, ye need not have to come out. At this point, as earlier explained in the previous verses, that there are no activities. The kings don't engage in war to conquer the other nations. The agriculturists, they don't engage in doing any tiling or cultivating. No transactions of the worldly activity would take place because of the torrential rains. So here, as a king, Sugriva, Vijita Arihi, having conquered his enemy, that is Vali, Sadarascha, having gained his own wife also, Rajye, in his kingdom, Mahati Rajye Chastita, is staying and he is enjoying great amount of happiness, even in the torrential rain that is now pouring down. And he says, comparing to him, Aham. Compare that. What am I? The same rain only I am seeing. Aham tu Hrutadarascha. There, here, Vijitadaraha, Sugrivas tu Vijitadaraha, Aham tu Hrutadaraha. My wife is kidnapped. Sugriva's wife is gained. And he gained his kingdom. What about mine? Rajyat Mahataschutaha. Mahata Rajyat Chutaha. I am now thrown away, fallen off, taken out, pushed out of my own kingdom. So, Hey Lakshmana, Aham Avasitami. I am now in great sorrow. I am suffering. Nadikulam Viklinnam. Klinnam, as a corroded by the flood of water, the banks of the river are corroded, overflown. Just like the torrential rain, it turns into a very large amount of water coming in the river, and the rivers as though swallowed the banks. In that way, my mind has been swallowed by the sorrows that I go through because of me being sent out of my kingdom, and my wife is also taken away. Vistirno mama shokaha. So large is enormous is my sorrow. And Brishadurgamaha Varshaha. And this very rain is cannot be overcome. Durgamaha, Durgena Gantum Shakyadedi, Durgamaha. The very rain itself is not conquerable, meaning you cannot venture into it. And also Ravanahascha Mahashatruhu, Mahan Shatruhu. And Ravana is also not ordinary demon. He's a very powerful one. Mahan Shatruhu, Ravana, Aparaha. It appears to be inconquerable. Apara means to cross. Apara, you cannot cross over to him. Iti pratibhati me. This is how it appears to me. So just like this rain cannot be conquered and overcome, my enemy is also equally very powerful. Therefore, my mind is filled with sorrow, enormous sorrow. Imam Ayatram Margans Drishtva, having seen this even the paths that are for anyone to undertake any journey is inconceivable or unperceptible because of the rain that has probably washed away the paths. Because it's all what you call mud path only, it is not a concrete or anything. So obviously when the water is so much, waterlogging, etc., you wouldn't see which direction to go, where to go. Ayatram chaiva drishtva imam marganscha Brishadurgaman, hard to cross. Sugrive pranate chaiva. Even though Sugriva is ready to do what I wanted of him, pranate, submissive. Sugrive pranate chaiva na maya kinchit iritam. Sugrive maya na kinchit iritam. I never asked or demanded anything from Sugriva at this point. knowing very well this is not the season to do anything. And therefore, I also did not demand of him anything at this point, knowing very well that even the very forest land or any other place is filled with water and nobody can even walk or travel. This way, he was addressing Lakshmana, further going here in the verse number 61 onward. Abhichapi pariklishtam
अपि चापि परिक्लिष्टम्
चिराद्धारे samagatam
चिराद्दारे समागतम्
आत्मकार्यकरीयस्त्वात्
आत्मकार्यगरीयस्त्वाद्
वक्तुं नेच्छामि वानरम्
वक्तुं नेच्छामि वानरम्
स्वयमेव हि विश्रम्य
स्वयमेव हि विश्रम्य
ज्ञात्वा कालमुपागतम् उपकारं च सुग्रीवो वेत्स्यते नात्र संशयः अस्मात्
कालप्रतीक्षोऽहम्
स्थितोऽस्मि
शुभलक्षण
सुग्रीवस्य नदीनां च
प्रसादमभिकाङ्क्षयन्
उपकारेण वीरो हि प्रतीकारेण युज्यते अकृतज्ञो अप्रतिकृतः हन्ति सत्त्ववतां मनः अपि च अपि परिक्लिष्टं चिराद्धारैः समागतम्. And the very problem that he had of Vali was that not only he lost his kingdom, he lost his wife also. So therefore, Chirat, for a long time, he had suffered the separation from his wife. Dharaihi pariklishtam api cha api samagatam. So here it is also true, after a long time of separation from his wife, now he has has come to unite with his wife, and such a Sugriva who is now, after a long separation from his kingdom and wife, had gained it. Therefore, Atmakarya Karyastvat. And it is true that my work, which is requiring very large amount of operation, Atmakarya, my work, Gariyastva, is being something very intense. It requires his soldiers to go in all directions in search of Sita, finding out where she is. And if at all, if they find out, after the finding out, they have to come back, travel again, and then tell us where it is. Then we have to get prepared, and then we march towards that particular direction, and then engage in the war, conquer the enemy, then capture my wife, come back, and then I travel back to Ayodhya. So many things are involved. Vaktum naichami vana. At this point, I don't want to tell anything to him. See Rama's patience. That's what I'm trying to say. He recognizes that Sugriva has long suffered his separation. And I can understand the separation because I'm going through that. And he had recently, just now, he had got back what he wanted. At this point, I don't want to disturb him. Poor thing. Let him go through this. Let him experience, let him enjoy it. When he has settled down and his mind is ready, Swayamevahi, he himself, Vishramya, having relaxed. Jnatva kalam upagatam, the right time has come for him to help me. Upakaram Sugrivaha Vetsyate. Vetsyate Vitti. Vitti, he knows. Vetsyate, he will know. Future tense. Vetsyate, he knows Sugrivaha. Natra samshayaha. I have no doubt about that. I don't disbelieve him. I don't have, distrust about him. I have done what is good for him and he will do what is good for me. Tasma, therefore, aham kala pratiksha. I wait for the right time. Sthitaha asmi shubhalakshana. Oh, one who has great virtues, oh Lakshmana, I am waiting for the right time. And this is what my condition is. And what are you waiting for? Sugrivasya nadinam cha prasadam abhikankshaya. Seeking the grace of Sugriva as well as the season. The season in the form of season, in the sense the nadi, the water is now filled with water and overflowing, that it has to quiet down after the rain. Also, Sugriva has to come out of his, engagements, which he has recently able to gain his kingdom, etc. So I'm just waiting for it. And, when we do something good to a person, it is the sensitivity of that person to repay back. So it is said, see, there are, if you take the broadly speaking, Chatur Varnim, 4 Varnas are there. The Brahmanas are engaged in the rituals and worship and teaching of the Vedas. And they are not expected to expect anything from the people. As I said earlier, Brahmanas are not supposed to even have a bank account. There's no savings. Because they have been taken care by the kings and the rich people in the society. And therefore, they are not supposed to worry about saving, accumulating wealth. Their only job is to engage in the work given to them, not work given to them, work assumed by them about worship of the Lord, teaching of the Vedas and Upanishads and rituals, performance of rituals, also guiding the society in the right direction, guiding the king in the right direction, giving them the proper spiritual counsel, all those, not to expect anything. A Kshatriya, on the other hand, is obliged to give back proper repayments for anything that he had taken from anybody. In the sense, a Kshatriya is engaged in protection of the people. And the protection of the people is of the utmost importance in a society, in a community. And such an individual, even though he may not expect anything in return, money, but his abilities and his strength and his continued, service to the society requires him to make sure that the government is providing him the required avenues, channels. Without the war equipment, without the proper training, without sufficient people to support, no army or protection will be able to fulfill their job. Again, it's a responsibility of the king to make sure that they are provided all the resources, and it is on the in return, the Kshatriyas have to provide security. It's a give and take. A Vaishya would not give without even you giving first. पैसा दे तो मैं आपको माल दे दूंगा, पैसा नहीं माल नहीं. वेरी क्लियर, स्ट्रेट. पहले आप दे दो, मैं बाद में दे दूंगा. You know, in some places in India also, they put outside their shops, cash today, credit tomorrow. You give cash today. If you're talking about credit, come tomorrow. If you want money, anything from me out of our credit, then you come tomorrow. Tomorrow you go, it will be written the same thing. Cash today, credit tomorrow. So Vaishya, the nature of Vaishya is because I have got the material, but I cannot give it free because I didn't get it free. I worked for it. I gathered the things and the material and made a product out of it or whatever it is, and that is useful to you. You pay for it and you take it. Clear, straight. So in the society, what we see, varieties of people. So what is the nature of Kshatriya, as I told you? He does, but he must pay back also. So here, Upakarena Virohi Pratikarena Yujyate. This has come before also. In the 27th previous chapter or Sarga, 45th verse, same thing is given. Viraha Upakarena hi Pratikarena Yujyate. When he has received a help, he has to repay it back. Pratikara. So accordingly, he has to reciprocate. And if one does not do akradajna, if he has received help but does not repay it with gratitude, apradikradaha, without paying back, ingratitude person, sattvavadam manaha hanti, he only hurts the people of soft and noble nature, because noble natured people would not ask anything in return. So he is referring to himself as one who is not asking, but without being asked. If you have received help from me, you are expected to repay it back, reciprocate. And if you don't, and you are only hurting. Ateva mukta pranidaya lakshmanaha.
अतैव मुक्तप्रणिधाय लक्ष्मणः
कृताञ्जलिस्तत्प्रतिपूज्य भाषितम्.
कृताञ्जलिस्तत्प्रतिपूज्य भाषितम्.
उवाच रामं स्वभिरामदर्शनम्.
उवाच रामं स्वभिरामदर्शनम्.
प्रदर्शयन् दर्शनमात्मनः शुभम्.
प्रदर्शयन् दर्शनमात्मनः शुभम्.
यदुक्तमेतत्तव सर्वमीप्सितम्.
यदुक्तमेतत्तव सर्वमीप्सितम्.
नरेन्द्रकर्ता न चिरात् हरीश्वरः.
नरेन्द्रकर्ता न चिरात्तरीश्वरः.
शरत्प्रतीक्ष क्षमतामिमां भवान्.
शरत्प्रतीक्ष क्षमतामिदं भवान्.
जलप्रपातं रिपुनिग्रहे धृतः.
जलप्रपातं रिपुनिग्रहे धृतः.
अत एव मुक्तः लक्ष्मणः. Thus being addressed this way, Lakshmanaha pranidaya, saluting, kritanjalihi, with his hands folded in salutation, pratipujya, properly adoring, respecting, bhashitam, uvacha, he spoke, pratipujya bhashitam uvacha, he spoke a very respectful words, Ramam Uvacha. Who's Rama here? Su Abhirama Darshanam. So Abhirama Darshana means one who is so delighted to even look at it. So Abhirama Darshanam Pradarsayan Atmanaha Darshanam Shubham. Shubham Atmanaha Darshanam Pradarsayan. By showing his version or his vision, his understanding of that situation. Pradarsayan showing. Darshanam. Shubham Darshanam, his vision, his understanding, his way of judging the situation. He said, Hey Narendra, Nachirat Harishwaraha Karta Sarvam. Sarvam Tava Ipsidam Karta. Harishwaraha, that is Mankishwaraha. Mankinam Ishwaraha, Mankishwaraha. Harishwara, the king of the monkeys. Narendra, oh, he was talking about, hey Narendra, oh Rama. Harishwaraha Karta. What he will do? What is the doer? Tava Sarvam Ipsitam. Whatever you have desired. And what you said is Yuktam Etat. Etat Yuktam, whatever is appropriate, Sarvam Ipsidam Tava, Ishvaraha, Narishvaraha, Nachirat Karta. Not, he won't delay too much. He will soon accomplish that. Imam, Bhavan Imam Kshamatam. Please, you wait. What? Sarat Pradikshaha, waiting for the autumn season to start. Please wait. And also, Jalaprapadam, the very Jalaprapadam, the flood of waters have to recede. Please wait. While you are keeping what? Dhritaha, very firmly determined what? About Ripu Nigrahe. For conquering your enemy, do not lose heart. About that, you have to be very determined. Ribu Nigrahe Dhritaha Bhavan Imam Sharat Pradikshaha Jalaprapadam Kshamatam. That is how it is. May you just waiting for your autumn season to start while you are steadily keeping your goal of overcoming your Ripu enemy. So again, as I said, patience. Very important thing that is lacking in this world so much. Even before somebody finished the talk, we speak back. I know what you're saying. I know. People, when they use this word, I know, it looks like as though there is nothing in this world they don't know. You watch, many of them. I know comes all the time. And if you start watching further, you'll be very, very irritating. I know. Or it's like that. So not only with people, we need to have patience. We need to have patience with our own bodily ailments also. It doesn't work according to your wish. It takes its own time. The doctor would say, it will heal on its own time. How long? Wait. Hey, I'm going through. Wait. So here, Lakshmana understood the anxiety of Rama. At the same time, as proper counseling, he says, wait. Let the autumn season come. Let the rains subside. Let the water recede. And Sugriva also, by the time he would have finished his enjoyments, is a newfound joy. So he will take some time. But the thing is, in the next section, that is next, we completed 28, right? Ityasya Srimad Ramayana Valmiki Adikavye Kishkinda Kante Ashtavimsha Sargah. In the first so many verses, it is explaining about the condition of Sugriva at this point. So what is he doing there in the Kishkinda? Samiksha Vimalam Vyoma
Samiksha Vimalam Vyoma
Gata Vidyut Valahakam
Gata Vidyut Balahakam
Sarasa Kula Sangushtam
Tarasa Kula Sanghushtam
Ramyajotsanulepanam
Ramyajosnanulepanam
Samurdhartam Chadusugrivam
Samruddhartam cha Sugrivam
Mandadharmartha Sangraham
Mandadharmartha Sangraham
Atyartham Chasatam Margam
Atyartham chasatam margam
Ekantagadamanasam
Ekantagatamanasam
Nivrittakaryam Siddhartham
Nivruttakaryam Siddhartham
Pramadabhiratam Sada
Pramadabhiratam Sada
Praptavantam Abhipretan
Praptavantam Abhipretan
Sarvaneva Manoratan
Sarvaneva Manorathan
Tvam Chapatnimi Abhipretam
Tvam cha Patnim Abhipretam
Taram Chapi Samikshitam
Taram chapi samipsitam
Viharantam Ahoratram
Viharantam ahoratram
Kritartam Vigatajwaram
Krutartam vigatajwaram
Kridantam Iva Devesham
Kridantamiva devesham
Gandharvapsarasam Ganaihi
Gandharvapsarasam ganaihi
Mantrishu Nyastakaryam Cha
Mantrishu nyastakaryam cha
Mantrinam Anavekshakam
Mantrinam anavekshakam
Uchinna Rajya Sandeham
Uchinna rajya sandeham
Kamavruttamiva Sthitam
Kamavruttamiva stitam
Nishchidartho Artha Tattvajnaha
Nishchitartho artha tattvajnaha
Kaladharma Visheshavit
Kaladharma visheshavit
Prasadya Vakyir Vividaihi
Prasadya vakyair vividaihi
Hetumadbhirmanoramaihi
Hetumadbhir manoramaihi
Vakyavid Vakya Tattvajnam
Vakyavid vakya tattvajnam
Harisham Marutatmajaha
Harisham marutatmajaha
Idam Tatyam Chamatpatyam Cha
Itam tatyam cha patyam cha
Samadharmartha Nitimat
Samadharmartha
Samadharmartha Nitimat
Samadharmarthanitimat
Pranaya Priti Samyuktam
Pranayat priti samyuktam
Vishwasakrita Nischayam
Vishwasakrita nischayam
Harishwaram Upagamya
Harishwaram upagamya
Hanuman Vakyam Abravit
Hanuman vakyam abravit
Vimalam Vyoma. The space has been cleared, the sky has been cleared. Samiksha. Now the rainy season is slowly over. Yet, and also the space, the sky has become slowly clear. Vimalam Vyoma. Gata Vidyud Valahakam. The clouds are no more, and also the lightning has stopped. Gata Vidyud Valahakam Samiksha. Even seen, perceiving. Sarasakula Sangrishtam, and filled with lot of cranes who are crowded up. They are also, the birds are also slowly coming out because during the rainy season also they are so confined, hibernated. So now they are slowly coming out. Ramyat Jyotsananu Lepanam. And even the entire place has been filled with the beautiful moonlight. Ramya Jyotsa. Jyotsa means the very school light of moon, Anulepanam, being flooded or illumined by the cool moonlight. Samruddha Artham, having accomplished his prosperity, Sugrivam Manda Dharmartha Sangraham. About Sangraha, about the war or conquering or going to invade other country, having been kept aside, and it has been lethargic about this, because at the present moment he recently had gained his kingdom, having fought the war with Vali, as though Atyartam cha asatam margam. Atyartam, supremely unproductive state of existence, and ekantagata manasam, and his mind has gone into privacy, not solitude, privacy. And what is he doing there? Nivritta karyam, having completed his work of getting his kingdom, siddhartham, accomplished what he wanted, pramada abhiratam sada, is engaged in sensuous activities, delightful. When we go for any of this, again, I'm saying, when we go for the trips, sometimes to what you call retreats, that's the time we relax all our discipline. No workout, no discipline of frugal eating, or not eating the sweets you have been maintaining for so long during the vacation. Everything given up, no self-control, nothing. And then the mind goes into a kind of a state where I don't want any of those, regular routines. I want to just enjoy that. That is called ekanta manas. Mind has been in the delighting mode. And that's it. Pramada abhiratam sada praptavantam abhipretan praptavantam. Whatever he decided, he now again regained back. Sarvaneva manoratan. Whatever his mind wanted, he is now delighting in. Because he was living in isolation in that forest with no luxury, no comfort, rain or shine. He was all by himself with probably some few people. And he had suffered this kind of confinement for a long time. Now he has got his things back. Swam Patnim Abhipretam, enjoying with his wife, and also Taram Chapi. His brother's wife also, now he started to live with. Samipsitam, enjoying. Viharantam Ahoratram, delighting both morning and evening. Ahoratram, day and night. Kritartham, feeling fulfilled. Vigata Jwaram, Kritartham Vigata Jwaram. He is no more having a fear of any kind, because his enemy is conquered. He's got the kingdom. So he had no more anyone to be afraid of. Vigata Jwaram. Kridantam iva devesham, the lord of that country, Kridantam iva, as though sporting. Gandharva Apsarasam Ganaihi, Devesham, like the Indra who is enjoying sporting with his own Apsarasas, all the various celestial beings, Gandharva Apsarasam Ganaihi, hosts of various kinds of these celestial beings. This way, he was also delighting in his own kingdom. And whatever he needs to do, he gave it to his ministers. Mandrishu Nyasta Karyam, Nyasta given up Karyam, all the duties. Mandrishu is given his duties to his ministers to take care. No, I am not going to be available for you to counsel. You just do what is necessary for maintaining the kingdom. Don't even ever come to me. But at the same time, mandrinam anavekshakam. This is a dangerous point. See, when you give responsibility to anyone or any task to anyone, no doubt you have to give complete trust in that person that let him or her finish it. But you must keep an eye. See, I tell many people, you may give your work to somebody else, but doesn't mean you should not keep a watch on that. And if you don't keep a watch on that, you do not know whether they are able to do it or not, or they are doing the right thing or not. Overconfidence is also wrong. And distrust is also equally wrong. You neither distrust nor you have overconfidence. So when you are assigning a job or work to a task to anyone, no doubt you are giving complete responsibility for that person to take care of it. But that doesn't mean you should not keep a watch. So here he's saying, Mandrinam anavekshakam is not keeping a watch on them also, which is not correct for a king to do it. Coordination requires constant supervision, not to make the other person uncomfortable, not that way. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Constantly, no, not that way. Silently observe whether the person is doing the right thing or not. And if she is not doing, walk in and say, hey, I have observed that you couldn't do it rightly. Please do it right. Not constantly interfering and saying in every, not like micromanagement. That is, micromanaging is also very wrong. And you are not giving any independence to that person. Do it. Let me watch. So, he is not doing that also, which is not right. Uchinna Rajya Sandeham. The uncertainty about the country or the kingdom is no more there. Uchinna Sandeham, uncertainty. And that is also not anymore there. Uchinna Rajya Sandeham. Kamavrittam ivastitam. He is also so like a cube filled with so much of passion. In that way, he remained. In this condition where the rainy season is over, autumn has started, and automatically he has to get back to his regular duties, but he's not doing that. Now, who has to advise him? Who can advise him? A king. Right person is Hanumanji. See, Hanumanji's role is very crucial here. He's not only a person who had helped Sugriva, he had helped Rama to meet both of them, made both of them meet and make sure that Sugriva got what he wanted. At the same time, Hanumanji is fully aware of the commitment which Sugriva had to fulfill. And he has to do it at the right time. So here, Nishchidartha Artha Tattvajnaha. One who is very clear about what is to be accomplished, and he is aware of that. Artha Tattvajnaha. Artham Artha Tattvam Janati. Kala Dharma Visheshavit. And also Kala Dharma Visheshavit. With those who knows Vishesha importance of Kala Dharma. Now, see, there are certain things that have to be done at certain time. Especially when it comes to cultivation, etc., you need to know the right time to put the right kind of plantations or sowing and what is to be done, when it is to be tiled, when it is to be, all that, when it is to be fertilized, all that needs to be done in time. See, in the past, the seasons were also properly happening, and therefore, the work of the people also very much programmed. This is the time we have to do this, is the time we have to do it. In today's world, we see so much of calamity, calamitous or confused state of the seasons also. During the summer, it is pouring out. During this rain, it is hot. During the winter, it is warm. Things are going berserk. So you cannot even properly time anything. But here, a person who is aware of what needs to be done when. See, it is like this. Again, coming back to this Varnashrama Dharma, the Shudraha, the people who are the working class, they may not have much to do during the rainy season, because there is all rain everywhere, flood, water, you can't do much. So that is the time they get ready, prepare their equipments and other things for the sake of the next season. Traders who don't travel. So at this time, they were stock taking and making sure that they get ready for the next business year. Kshatriyas don't conquer, they don't go to fight. That's the time they physically get ready. They prepare new equipments of war and train the soldiers for the getting ready for the next whatever be the task. Brahmanaha, no rituals, no yajna yagas can be conducted at this point, because to be done outside and there will be rain. So what they do, they study. Because Shravan, study. They keep sitting there and study, and then they learn new things. And so all of them are busy with certain preparations. And so what Hanumanji thinks about it is, right after this, he has to start his work in form of searching for Sita, but he is not doing anything about it. He's not getting ready. He has not sent the word to the monkey armies that scattered all over the country to gather up, to come back. He has not sent a word. He has not prepared. He has not got any plan. He's totally indulging. So, therefore, what he did was, prasadya vakyaihi vividaihi edumadbi manoramaihi vakyavit vakya tattvagyam harisham marudatmajaha. Marudatmajaha, Hanuman, vakyavit, one who knows what to say and when to say, how to say. Prasadya, very pleasingly, vakyaihi vividaihi, with various words, hetumadbihi, which are filled with reasoning, manoramaihi, which are pleasant to hear, hitam tatyam cha patyam cha sama dharma artha nitimat pranaya priti samyuktam vishwasakrita nischayam harishwaram upagamya Hanuman vakyam abravit. Hanuman vakyam abravit, that's the main sentence. He spoke. What words he spoke? Hitam, useful. Tatyam, truthful. Patyam, appropriate. Sama dharmartha nitimat. And at the same time, which is dharmartha nitimat. Dharma, artha. What is righteous? Artha, that which is filled with meaning. Niti, principle oriented. And having spoken those kind, he wanted to explain to him, and that needs to be spoken with great amount of respect. Therefore, pranaya priti yuktam, with submissive, with lovingly, Vishwasa Krita Nischayam, taking him into confidence, keeping him in trust. And who is that? Marudatmajaha. To whom did he address? Harisham Vakya Tattvajnam, to that very Lord of the monkeys, who is also a person of words. Vakya Tattvajnam, he knows. So Harishwaram Upagamya, having approached him, Hanuman Vakyam Abravit. One thing, Vakpatutvam is very, very clear about Hanuman. Vakpatutvam means expert. Vakpatutvam, expert in communication. See, we can say things, but it should be spoken with appropriate words, with the tone, with appropriate delivery, and at the correct time, to the right person, with the right attitude, for giving him the right direction. I told you, why you did not do it? You didn't tell me correctly. Many times we say things, but not clear. Ambiguously we say. The ambiguity should be avoided, because you cannot take the other person for granted that he will know. Clarify it. If required, repeat it. Do not assume that people know what you are referring to. Some people are there who comes, Swamiji, that is over. I may be busy with something else. Swamiji, it's done. What is done? You tell me what is done. Please explain to me what you are referring to. In your mind, it is clear. This is what last conversation I had with Swamiji, and therefore he is thinking about it. Let me tell him that it is done. Right? I may be doing something else. What is done? Which one you are referring to? Vagueness. So when you are communicating, you must not take it other person for granted. At the same time, your tone should be such that you are confident with that person. Don't doubtfully say things. That's why he said, Vishwasa Krita Nischayam, taking him into trust. That what I am speaking is with confidence, with trust with that person. I am speaking to this individual. So this way, Hanumanji's this Vakpatutvam is very well known. When he met Rama and Lakshmana also first time, he spoke such kind of polite words. Rama and Lakshmana, they were so pleased. Who is this person? In the middle of forest, he's so cultured. The words that we speak shows our culture. When we hear certain people, when they open the mouth, you know how they have lacked their culture, their dignity, their wisdom or understanding, knowledge. This just comes out of our communication only. So here, Hanumanji is a Vakyavit. He knows and what to say and when to say, how to say, where to say, what not to say, when not to say, how not to say. That is what we hear or see in Hanumanji very clearly. Aganita Guna Gana Bhushana Rama Ashita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhyavasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatha Nandana Sri Rama Dashamukha Mardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama Kamita Phalata Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Jeevana Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Jaggapati Raghava Raja Rama Patita Pavana Sita Rama Sri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Sri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Siyavara Ramachandra ki jai Pavana Sutta Hanuman ki jai उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।